Here is a wonderful 2021 BMW 5 Series. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.